the third day of the unfortunate accident of Air India plane crash on these buildings. You can see the buildings blackened by the blast, the fireball that emanated out from the aeroplane when it crashed over here. And today, if you see the scene outside these buildings, outside the site, it is quiet as of now, not much of the hustle bustle as it was yesterday with uh, investigation agencies, Gujarat Police, NDRF, SDRF, CISF, everybody was here. But today we can see that it is a little silent as compared to yesterday. But we are hearing that NDRF teams will soon be coming in for today. It's around 8:30 a.m. in the morning, and we are waiting for the NDRF teams to come. Although they must have completed most of their work, but for cross-checking what they have done and um, to see nothing is left inside, they will be coming today as well. Many remains of the bodies of the victims were taken from this site to the civil hospital Ahmedabad yesterday, where postmortems are being done and DNA samples from these bodies are being collected. And we are also hearing that at this site of crash today, investigation teams have already arrived of DGCA, and a few other teams have arrived. The investigation on the site is going on as of now, and at the hospital site, with the relatives of the victims are still waiting to get bodies of their loved ones. Until yesterday, we could hear that samples were being collected from the relatives, from the bodies of the victims, and DNA sampling and matching of those DNA. The entire process was going on. It was said yesterday that soon the DNA sampling will be finished, but we could see until late evening, people were waiting for bodies and DNA sampling as well. So, primary task today should be, and it will be definitely, that bodies are handed over to the relatives of the victims as soon as possible, and that would be a great relief after this tragic incident, which has left the relatives, the families of the victims in pain. Nivriti Mohan, News 9.